Here we have a gorgeous pixie haircut. This one features mint green and baby blue. Loving this color combination, so unique and fun. And the cut is, of course, gorgeously accented by the color. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature a 360 view of some of this season's hottest haircut trends. So if you've been thinking of shaking your hair up with a new style and you're in need of some major inspiration, this video is for you. So here we have a 360 view of this gorgeous pink and black wolf cut style. This is a very popular TikTok haircut that we're seeing, followed by this French girl style bob. Then we move into another 360 view. This is more of like a baby mullet variation. Lots of texture with this. Long sideburns, full bangs in the front. Beautiful. And then we see a 360 of this red pixie haircut. I am loving this color. And this pixie features bangs in the front as well. So she does have a little bit of a tail going there in the back, and we're also seeing that among some of the haircuts, the tail as well as the mullet has managed to make a comeback. So here we have another wolf cut. This one is kind of like a shaggy variation with bangs, baby bangs. And then we have the very popular anime style haircut. So this is kind of like that in between bixie hairstyle, but it is being flipped up under, and we're seeing a lot of this, and we're now calling it the anime haircut. I like her pink and blonde coloring that she has, kind of like a rose gold. And then the back actually features an undercut. Very nice. So let us know in the comments below which haircut is your favorite. There's a lot to play around with in today's video. So here we have another mullet variation that we're seeing. This one features kind of like a bob at the top, And then the back comes to around the shoulders. Nice color combination of the pink and green. Bangs in the front. And then we have another wolf cut variation. This also plays into that wolf cut, shaggy cut trend. Also getting a little bit of the mullet vibes. Followed by another kind of mullet variation. So she has shaven sides, bangs in the front. So we're definitely getting creative when it comes to finding styles that fit our own personal taste. And then we have more of like a layered bob or shaggy bob variation. Now this haircut was really interesting. So this has kind of got like the anime haircut vibes, wispiness in the back, long bangs in the front, super long sideburns. Then we got someone rocking the split dye hair trend. And I would say this is more just like a layered shoulder length cut. But I really like the split dye color of the blue and purple, really pretty. I wonder if she did that herself. I'd say that's either a layered bob or like a wolf cut bob. And then we have someone rocking the copper color trend, curtain bangs, blunt cut. Her color is so pretty. Alright, you guys, I hope you found this video inspirational and you were able to really get some hair tips from it. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.